Yeah. My hubby is home. I love him to bits. And he came home. And I'm happy. And I decided to make a video because I was happy! And I like making videos now. Like, I'm not so nervous anymore. I still am, but I'm not. I know my videos are boring, but who gives a fuck? Right? Show me hand. Come on. Show me your hand. Okay, put your hand up. No! Put your dicky away! I'm on YouTube! Don't be slapping that. Don't be slapping that around. Hey! No boob grabbage on YouTube! Say hello.
Hi.
Hey! Those are some precious things there, man. Put those one. Oh! I can't put this on YouTube! You ruined it! No, I can't. Well, I can, and they'd probably be like, what the fuck? And they'd probably be like, ban your video! And then, it sucks. Because then, whatever. I'm gonna put this on YouTube anyway. Anyway. I say anyway too much. Anyway. I'm bored. And all he said was hi. And I'm still running around with his winky out. Cock and balls too. There he's behind me. See? You see? See the Mexican? Come? You see the Mexican? Oh, Mexican pattern. Where are you going? Yeah. Oh, come on. Anyway, when Grapey comes home, Snookums, the Planet Eater, we're gonna make a video, and I'm gonna make him sit here and make a video. Just so you know, that's like a BB gun, or yeah, it's powered by CO2. This one loves his guns, so when he gets his guns, he's probably gonna end up going on YouTube with them and be like, "Sup, motherfucker!"
Getting an AK-47.
And he wants an AK-47.
Getting an AK.
Okay, you're getting an AK-47
In March.
in March. Yeah, my hair is messy. It's like I'm a lion, you know? Like freaking mane right here. It's like, roar! Okay. Aww, they seem. That's my kitty. My white kitty.
Fat kitty.
She's fat. And her name's Baby. Ow! Look at Baby! Not killing the cat. Ashtray. Thank you. Oh, I flicked it on my foot. Anyway, YouTube. This is 420 Tibby. Why do I keep saying my name wrong? Anyway, this is Tibby 420 Tibby, and I'm out. Alright? Okay. Chimo.